The anxiety around using the tools is limiting the ultimate creativity you could have for the output. So what I suggest to get past it is to produce some garbage. Get into these applications and just play. Play a whole lot and create terrible looking things. Move some stuff around. Practice with all the tools. So when it comes time for you to actually produce something that you need to, work for yourself, work for a client, anything, you're not going to feel anxious about using the application. You're going to feel a sense of calm. You're going to be able to produce some great looking work. So what do I mean by that? So inside of Canva or Google Slides, PowerPoint, Word, whatever you have to use, get into the application and don't worry about what you're producing. Just play with everything. So if we start a brand new page here, I'm being very serious. Like, you just drag stuff in. So these are grids apparently. So let's add some of these in. Let's add some photos into that. Play around with this stuff. Like, don't worry about it. You don't have to show anybody this. You don't have to sell it. You don't have to give it to a client. This is just you messing around. And it might feel kind of silly, kind of foolish, but ultimately you're just becoming familiar with the product, right? So drag this. What happens when I move this around? It scales. That's kind of interesting. Okay, we can make this color. I can make this a different color, right? So what if we don't? Can I make this bottom part bold or unbold? Just look around the entire rest of the interface and just practice. Like, just move stuff around and see what happens as you do stuff, right?